to Danny and Mick.
Hello everybody and welcome to Girl Talk World. Today we are here with the stars of CBBC's brand new show, Danny and Mick. So guys, introduce yourselves.
Well, I am Danny.
And I am security. I'm Mick.
He's Mick.
Danny and Mick.
Danny and Mick.
Okay, so today we are going to be cake decorating.
Decorating a cake.
We're going to be decorating a
I
cake.
can't wait. Hang on. Where's the cakes?
I forgot the cakes.
Oh,
they're downstairs. Could you get them?
They're downstairs.
Yeah.
I'll go get them.
Thanks.
I'll go get them.
You go.
I'll go downstairs.
Yeah.
I'll go get them. Hang on. I'm coming back up. Right down.
And there's another one.
There's another one. I'll take the escalator. See that cake? That cake's 50p, but this cake is £1.
Why?
Because that's me dear cake. Okay.
Okay guys, so what do you think about decorating cakes? Excited?
It's easy.
easy peasy.
It is easy.
Easy.
Okay, so first of all, let's all put special hats on because we've got to be safe, right? And we don't want this to be too easy for you, actually.
No?
No.
Well, what?
I'm gonna wear some dizzy goggles.
Oh.
Oh, God. This is so unfair.
Get these on.
Well, you can't have your cake and eat it.
You can't have your cake and decorate it either at this rate. Okay.
Where's the hat?
There's my hands.
Here's your hat.
Are these my hands?
Yeah. Tell us what you can see through these, guys.
I can see, well...
Everything's far away but close.
Okay, and to make it
I've got
even
20
harder...
fingers. Look how many fingers I've got.
How many fingers
And to
have you
make it
got?
even harder, there is a 2-minute time limit.
I've got 20 fingers.
I got 20 fingers. You know?
Okay, so I'm going to tell you what you've got out in front of you. You've got squirty cream, you've got fruit, you've got
Squirty
tiny
cream.
dinosaurs,
Fruit.
glitter,
Glitter.
marshmallows, sprinkles,
Sprinkles.
and
Sprinkles.
loads of different icing. So are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
He's ready.
Let's get 2 minutes on the clock. 3, 2, 1, go.
Dun, dun. So I'm going to start with some squirty cream.
Wait.
You-
Somebody help me.
Here's the squirty cream.
Thank you.
Okay,
Put it
yeah,
on
to
the
the right
cake.
side. To the left a little bit. There we go. Oh, that's really nice.
That nice?
Yeah, the red sprinkles.
Where's...
Okay, what are you going for next?
I'm going for the brown.
That's a pink one. Yeah, that's some pink icing.
Pink.
Do some lovely patterns with that. You going for some dinosaurs?
I'm going to go for some name
blueberries,
writing.
please.
Blueberry to the left. To the left.
Aha.
Okay. Oh, going for a bit of chocolate over here with Danny.
Hey,
That's our favourite.
that's nice.
I need,
That's really nice. Quite healthy with Mick at the moment.
Thank you. I need a
Fruit.
dinosaur, please.
You
The
need
key is,
some-
Mick,
okay,
the
I'm
key
gonna
is,
put
you've
some
got to be
dinosaurs in your
precise.
hand. There
Thank
you
you.
go.
You can't go over the edges.
I know you can.
Can't, and there's dinosaurs.
Thank you.
Get
Some-
more
This is
marshmallows.
really hard. Marshmallows, please.
Okay.
Some strawberries.
Yep, strawberries are in front of you. Now, what can you see? We've spilt some glitter here.
Oh.
I mean, that would look really nice on the cake if you.
I'm going to do a
some glitter.
strawberry cake.
Strawberry
Yeah.
cake.
So I'm going to put the strawberries in the middle.
There's 30 seconds.
30 seconds
remaining.
remaining!
Quick, yeah, get it on. Well. Hey, good. Yes. Nice and tidy.
Oh.
Yeah, remember presentation counts.
Mick,
15 seconds.
Mick, try some of mine.
Yep.
Try some.
Oh,
nice, Mick.
That's lovely.
That's nice.
Oh, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Okay. It's a competition. So I've got the going up my nose. All right. So
That one? I think I've won.
So what we do have here,
Wedding.
you've reworked the cake slightly.
This is a wedding cake.
Which is a nice touch.
Yeah, I've gone for the wedding look.
Now over here you have included some of the piping bag But it's nice to see your process. I mean, on Bake Off they do the Hollywood handshake, don't they? And we have to give a girl talk handshake to someone.
We could do the girl talk hug.
I think it's going to have to be to you. Well done!
Come on.
Ah! You're both winners.
Yeah!
I hope you like this video, everybody. Give it a thumbs up and a like, and subscribe to the Girl Talk World channel. And check out Danny and Mick on CBBC.
Really good.
Bye!
Really good. Bye!